Did you know about the amazing health benefits of ginger root? This humble root, often used as a spice in various cuisines around the world, packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. Here are some of the most notable ones. Firstly, ginger root is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. It contains compounds called gingerols that have been shown to reduce inflammation and soothe pain. This makes it a natural remedy for conditions such as arthritis, migraines, and menstrual pain. Next on the list is ginger's ability to aid digestion. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, helping the body break down food more effectively. This can alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and constipation. Thirdly, ginger root boosts immunity. It is rich in antioxidants that help protect the body from harmful free radicals and strengthen the immune system. This can help ward off common illnesses like the cold or flu. Additionally, ginger root can help control blood sugar levels. It has been found to lower blood sugar levels and improve various heart disease risk factors in patients with type 2 diabetes. Finally, ginger root can also aid in weight loss. It's known to enhance thermogenesis, which is the process by which our body burns calories for heat. This can help increase the number of calories you burn and help with weight loss. In summary, ginger root is a powerful health booster. Its benefits range from reducing inflammation and aiding digestion to boosting immunity, controlling blood sugar levels, and assisting in weight loss. So, next time you're in the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some ginger root. It's a simple addition to your diet that could bring about significant health benefits. Enjoy the zing of ginger and embrace a healthier you.